Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your favorite place to learn easy, smart, and powerful trading ideas that anyone can follow, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best binary trading strategies using a simple candlestick pattern, the pin bar. It's super accurate, works in trending markets, and most importantly, it's easy to use. If you're tired of complicated setups and want a strategy that gives you high probability trade entries, make sure you watch this video till the end. No skipping. I'll explain everything step by step so you can trade with confidence. Risk. Warning. Trading binary options involves risk. You can lose your money, and past results don't guarantee future success. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Please trade responsibly and only use money you can afford to lose. And remember to do your own research before making any trades. All right, let's break down the strategy in a simple way. We're using the pin bar candle for this setup. It's easy to spot. It has a small body and long wicks on both sides, showing rejection from both buyers and sellers. But here's the key. You only trade in the direction of the trend. If the market is trending down and you see a pin bar forming, that's your signal to take a sell trade. If the market is going up and a pin bar appears, that's your cue for a buy trade. Now let's look at the chart. As you can see here, the market is clearly in a downtrend. We've just spotted a perfect pin bar candle. Small body, strong rejection, and it formed right in line with the trend. So, I've entered a 1-minute sell trade with a 1-minute candle time frame. A few important things to remember when using this strategy. Don't trade during major news events. Always check for support and resistance levels before entering the trade. Only take trades that align with the overall market direction. By following these simple rules, you avoid most beginner mistakes and increase your win rate. And yes, we've just won this trade. That's the power of trading with a simple and proven method like this pin bar strategy. But don't leave yet. We're going to wait for the next setup, and I'll show you how to handle different market conditions using this same method. Stay with me. All right, traders, here's another great opportunity to apply our strategy. As you can see, the price has bounced perfectly from a support level, and a strong pin bar candle has formed at the same point. This is a classic signal. Support level plus pin bar equals high probability buy trade setup. So based on our rules, I've entered a buy trade with a 1-minute expiry. Let's keep an eye on this one and see how it plays out. While we wait, here are a few bonus tips to help you use this strategy even better. Always confirm the trend before entering. Even the best setup can fail if you trade against the market direction. Use clean charts. Avoid using too many indicators. This strategy works best with simple price action and key support resistance levels. Stick to your rules. Don't trade emotionally. Be patient and only enter when all conditions are met. Now let's check the result. And yes, this trade is also a win. That's 2 successful trades in a row using just the pin bar strategy and smart trade decisions based on market structure. But don't go anywhere. We'll look for one more setup to reinforce what you've learned and help you build more confidence using this method. Okay, traders, now let's talk about a situation where you should be extra careful. Right now, the market is clearly in a downtrend, and we've spotted a pin bar-like candle on the chart. But if you look closely, the upper rejection wick is slightly longer than the lower one. This makes it a weaker signal. On top of that, there's a support level nearby, which means the price could bounce back up any moment. So, according to our rules, it's better to avoid this setup and wait for a stronger confirmation. Still, I've taken a sell trade here as an example, just to show you what can happen when conditions are not ideal. Remember, trading is not just about taking every signal, it's about taking the right signals. Let's wait and watch how this trade ends. As expected, this trade didn't go in our favor, and that's exactly why I wanted to include this example in the video, to help you understand that not every pin bar is a good entry. You need to combine candle signals with proper trend direction, support resistance zones, and market conditions. Learning when not to trade is just as important as knowing when to trade. And that's it, traders. Today, you learned how to use the pin bar binary strategy the smart way, with clear rules, trend direction, and support resistance levels. We saw a perfect sell setup that followed all rules and gave us a win, a strong buy trade from support with a clear pin bar, and even an example of when not to trade, to help you avoid risky entries. Remember, trading isn't about winning every trade. It's about making smart, consistent decisions that protect your capital and grow it over time. So be patient, follow the rules, and trade with discipline. If you found value in this video, do me a small favor. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a powerful new strategy. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic in the next video. I'm always reading your comments and would love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart and stay safe.